everyone. Welcome to video.
No, I don't have anything funny planned for this intro.
Yeah, he doesn't. I emptied the restaurant because I didn't have enough time to wait for everyone to filter out, so that's why we have pretty much the same amount of money as before. I think we only need one tip jar though. I don't think, because when you collect one tip jar, collect some more, so I don't think we need more than one.
Yeah, I'm running away from you, Stanley.
Cool. I don't want you anyways. Remember, Daniel, you still have your hide one thing per episode allocated ticket to you.
Yeah.
I don't want to sell that one because we still get tips from all of them. The waiters really love to set them in the most random spots.
Yeah, it's so strange. I'm back.
It's annoying.
I had to collect all the money from my restaurant.
Right then.
Stanley, Bobo's in the fridge, help me, I don't know what to do. Oh, he's...
It's Bobo. Oh, is that what I named the other waiter?
Bobo Junior. Okay. That actually got funny.
This is how we're going to name all of the waiters, Daniel.
No.
And the chefs, all of them are going to be something junior.
No. I'm gonna run now.
The original Ramsay is about to hit level 11, so he can make silver dishes. I think I can as well, but I'm not sure.
Does that mean that I'm the Ellen Cultist Junior?
Also, it's not thy, it's the, Daniel, not thy.
Well, it says the Ellen Cultist.
No, read it again, it's the, with an E. Look, the.
It's the high idiots, I'm getting them mixed up.
Yes, that's correct. I don't think we can have a chair at this entrance because I need to get in. That's all then.
Is that your little brother coming over your Alexa?
Yeah, you can do an announcement kind of thing. And that was just him doing one. Daniel?
What did he say?
See, he just said something about, my father. He could have just messaged him. Like, using Alexa message, but, you know, too smart. Daniel, we could get a new waiter soon, or we could be we could be a third of the way there. No, like more than almost halfway there to getting a food truck. What do you feel?
Almost halfway there.
Oh,
Can you just save up for food truck?
you can't copyright us if we're singing it because I'm singing so bad, and it's
Well,
it's indetectable.
My singing's amazing. Your singing can't be copyrighted.
Shut up, Daniel.
No, it wouldn't make any difference, but still.
Daniel.
Stanley, this feeling says the tea would be delicious. Is the tea really that good? Is that like the main place of why people come here?
Tea.
I've heard this is a good place to get my morning tea. So,
It's
might as well.
it's definitely not morning anymore. What do you mean there's not enough seats?
3 p.m.
Sorry, all of the chefs are really happy because there's no workload at this rate. Because the waiters take way too long to get everyone ready. Like, look at all these happiness meters. That's boosting our waiters' levels by so much, I think. Oh, Daniel, guess what I'm making right now?
Apply?
Beef Wellington! Well, that's how I decide, but it also works. Put it in the oven!
Stanley, it's not letting me do anything.
Oh,
I'm trying to cook and wait. It's not
I
letting
think
me
you're
do
about to
anything.
DC. You're just kind of walking in place. Pizza.
Oh, I'm still walking in place.
Yeah, you're still stuck on my screen. Are you sure you're actually there, or maybe you're
I'm
just...
just gonna leave and rejoin. Because
There's another kid. There's another person who's got coffee instead of tea. I guess it's close enough.
Stanley, I'm wearing socks.
I'm not wearing socks.
Imagine not wearing socks.
Imagine being not able to eat. Imagine.
I command you by the commandments.
Oh,
Stanley,
yes.
you're such a bad boy. Honestly.
Okay, I'm on mute. What food should I give to Daniel and hope he doesn't notice? Let's see. I'm in my house now.
I'm like better now. Can you see me moonwalking? Stanley, do you see my actual moonwalking?
It's funny thing. I'm going to do so.
I'm like gliding. What? Stanley, I'm moonwalking. Look outside.
No. No, I'm not even in there.
Stanley, help me.
No.
I have to look the wrong way to walk. And I walk very slowly.
How are you feeling right now?
Do you see me?
No, I'm not even in the restaurant right now. Oh. What hell was that?
No, not beef Wellington.
Okay, you actual idiot. That's not beef Wellington.
Stanley, do you want to know something funny? Is the cookie actually did work? Because it like reset my animation.
Oh, I married you, Daniel.
Thank you, I can walk normally, but I choose not to. Well, now I'm just gonna run away. Again.
No, you're not. No, you're not gonna run away, Daniel.
No.
Wait, you're going, Daniel. Daniel, alright. You can run away, but I think you forgot one thing. Oh, my.
I think you forget I can moonwalk.
I think I forget the car is really annoying to drive.
That's why Stanley, I'm moonwalking. How much more money do we need for the food truck?
About more or less 1.7. No, 1.7 grand. What? Why'd you just go?
Teleport away, Stanley.
I have business to attend to.
Where the hell is Bobo Jr. going, Stanley?
I don't know. I'm not even in there right now. I don't know.
Stanley, Bobo Jr.'s gone.
Hey, the beef
Don't worry.
beef Wellington is still considering you because no one's ever ordered it. I don't think. Or I've never like made it without. I don't know. I don't know why it's considering you because you know from experience I definitely have made it.
Yes, you have.
Can I do? Anyway, can you check if there's like a ton of cash piles just around?
We'll do that in a second.
No.
No, what? Where are you?
I'm in the area. I think the tip jars. I think the tip jar is meant to be in the restaurant, like on the counter. Beef Wellingtons!
Yeah, that's what I say when you don't have the mic.
I can get them.
Someone take us mac and cheese. Take it the mac and cheese, bro.
You have to click on them, not the little bubble, if that's what you're doing.
No, I'm clicking on them.
Well, maybe they're like, maybe you have mac.
I'm never gonna get you a mac and cheese full. It automatically gives them the mac and cheese.
Oh, so wait, if I just grab like 3 dishes. I actually need to cook these as well because I didn't mean to grab
Wait,
them.
that's actually really smart. If you grab like 3 dishes and reset, it automatically gives it to them. I hope. I'm gonna go look for.
Wait. Does that? Yeah, no. I just reset while looking at a guy that wanted a candy apple with a candy apple, and it worked. I'm also cooking while dead. Oh, if you start cooking while you're dead, you come back alive to the place you were to resume cooking. I don't know exactly how, but it happens, Daniel.
You know what else happens? You give me stupid beef Wellingtons. I've got 2 beef Wellingtons. I'm sad. I thought we said it might get rid of them.
Are you stuck with the beef Wellingtons?
I mean, I could throw them at you.
Don't. No. I want you to keep the beef Wellingtons. Plus, you don't know where I am, so.
I'm keeping the beef Wellingtons. Trying to get the sweet buckets. Every time we leave and rejoin the game, they'll be set.
Yeah, I know. And you seem to like to leave and rejoin quite a bit.
Well, yeah.
I saw my hand out like I'm about to grab something.
Can I take your car?
I don't think so. Try.
I will try.
Can you?
I don't know. Try it. Well, I'm not trying yet. I just see your car.
Where even is my car?
It's next to 501 and I cannot steal it.
Damn. Come to the restaurant. Come to the restaurant. I thought.
How did you get your car?
I don't know. I just had it.
There must be a way.
There is a way. I can buy another car with the gems. I know that. So if you have gems, then yeah.
Where?
In the items menu. If you have to be at
How
your.
many gems? How many gems?
The next one for me is 30, but I'm not sure how much the one I have is. So it's probably 20 because it seems to increase in 10.
Yes, 30.
Is it? Okay, do you have 30?
No, I only got 15.
Come to the restaurant, that's something funny.
Your restaurant?
Yeah, my restaurant. I don't even know where yours is.
What's the funny thing?
Oh, you here? Okay.
No!
Ooh, where?
That's not funny!
Take a spoon. Did you just leave? Did you just leave because I gave you a beef Wellington?
I teleported away if you must know.
Oh, okay, that's fine. It'd be more funny if you left, but
Yeah. Well, I'm not frozen at my restaurant.
I could find. You're frozen.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna disconnect.
So in other words, you're in a really good place for me to give you beef Wellingtons. Is that correct?
No, I'm not in a good place for you to give me your freaking beef Wellingtons. I don't even think you can.
All right then. Bet.
Listen,
Want to bet?
I just don't have no time.
What?
It's not even night time.
What do you mean?
It's 9 o'clock.
And?
You probably put beef Wellington today, haven't you?
I found a bug.
I'm just gonna leave.
No, don't leave. Well, okay, if you
Okay, fine. Stick for a few more minutes.
leave, you have a nice beef Wellington ready for you when you come back. Do you feel compelled not to leave now, Daniel?
What?
Do you feel compelled not to leave because I've threatened you with beef Wellingtons?
Yes.
Where even is your restaurant, anyways? I'll come visit you.
You can teleport to it, Stanley.
Oh, right, yeah, good point. I forgot about that. I don't know. Did I free you? Daniel, why are you? Can you like move?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
I can't see anything.
Oh, well, that's lovely.
I can't even leave. Like,
But well, I gave you a beef Wellington, but you can't tell because you can't see.
no, it's what happens.
Your chef's currently making me.
It's working.
Your chef's currently making me.
From Roblox, though.
Your chef is currently making me a nice batch of olives. Boo, ba, 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 boo. Then we're $1,000 away from the We have to wait. I have to wait for that card payment to expire before I can sit them. There we go. Sit down. God, there we go. I'm gonna do the bulk where you just kind of pick up three and you pick up 3 things and reset. I can only pick up 2 for some reason, but I'm dead. I don't think we have a table for 3. Oh, we do. Go over there. Oh yeah, yeah. If I have the tip jar over here, it still makes money. That's good to know. All right, yeah. Pick up. For some reason, like waiter trays, I don't have them for some reason.
I'm very sad, so I've had to turn off my Xbox.
You had to full reset your Xbox because you're that frozen. Daniel, I feel like you haven't been speaking the entire time. So I'll just kind of talk about it.
I've just been watching TikTok, to be perfectly honest with you.
Okay. Gordon Ramsay is has just hit level 10. Bobo, even though he was absolutely destroying Ramsay in levels, is now level 9. And in the first couple episodes, Bobo was such a higher level than Gordon Ramsay. They're probably just like really not happy. Yeah, both of the waiters have a 0 happiness, so they're not getting like any XP at all. Because their happiness equates to their how much XP they get, and seeing as the Gordon Ramsay gang has almost full happiness between them because there's 3 of them to lighten the workload, they're getting so much XP, and then the Bobo gang are so unhappy because there's so many tables to serve. Daniel, if we can somehow pull 1,000 together by the end of the episode, then we can get it.
Yeah, it's true.
I love to cut tomatoes while I look at my money. Otherwise known as vote. That's what Gordon Ramsay Jr. thing like to do. He was just staring at the tip jar while cutting his tomatoes. Then again, that's kind of where the prep counter is, so it's pretty difficult to not. I'm gonna cook. What cook? Let me cook. My game's bugged. All I can do now is do waitering because I can't. It's not letting me cook. I don't even have any of my upgrades.
I think I'm back.
You seem to be back. Come to my restaurant. Actually, no. While I'm doing this, I am going to try and find the secret in IKEA that allows you to get a certain hat. Because I remember there was one, I just don't remember how to access it. Pumpkin. Maybe they removed it. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're in a different town. I'll go back. I'm scared. For some reason, I can't walk myself to your restaurant.
Why not?
I don't know. It just whenever I'm in the teleporting menu, it just says you don't have a teleport button next to you.
Oh, because I don't have a restaurant. I've just
Oh.
straight to you and started working.
Right. Yeah. Okay. If we serve that guy candy apple, they should pay because they can't get 2 rounds of desserts. I don't think. But he's eating candy apple with a knife and fork, and that angers me. It's brittle. I don't think that's how a knife and fork work. I'll show you just how Mac it. Oh, I have a child pie.
You have a child in a pie?
No, I have a meat pie for a child, but it's a child pie, so.
Okay. I'm just gonna respawn. I can't be bothered.
That
Getting those things forever.
until you pick up another dish, though, it forever acts like you have those dishes in your hand. But I think if you turn off auto character navigate, then you can just do it with no consequences, so there won't be an annoying arrow on your screen. Table 4.
Well, there is an annoying arrow on my screen right now.
Turn off auto navigate customers in settings. Let me see. If I reset.
Oh, it is on.
Weird. If you pick up another one and then serve it, it'll work. We found an exploit. Let's go.
We found an exploit.
It's like a game. It's like a game clicking these. It's like play game clicking all the bubbles that want the water and stuff. I'd love the water.
I would love the water.
What water white?
He did a funny, except we weren't on the topic of drugs. If you did that earlier, then it might have been funny when I took my inhaler.
Yeah.
Last episode.
Wrong episode, Stanley. Oh, get a new dish. Let's go. Peanut soup. I'm getting Stroop waffle because I like
some peanut soup.
Should we get a Stroop waffle?
Right, Stan, you better empty finishing off now, mate.
I will.
Okay, get dressed.
Yeah, I will. I'm recording, Father.
Alright.
Oh.
Shut up now.
Aw.
Right.
Stanley, would it pain you to the chest if I still do? I've hidden a secret collection of Wombat Toe.
What have you done? You know what? And I know you're getting punished.
By the way, my secret collection of Wombat Toe on this tool has been added on throughout the episode.
What do you mean?
Without you realising.
What do you mean secret collection of Wombat Toe?
You'll know when you find it.
Okay.
I'm not going to bring it up again.
And you'll tell me where it is.
Oh, what is?
Where is this collection of Wombat Toe?
I'm not going to tell you where the fuck. No! No! What are you doing?
I found it.
What, you found my secret collection of Wombat Toe?
Yeah.
No! By the way, that's been there since the beginning of the episode. If you can find the clip where I say I've just collected my money from my restaurant, that was on the first. You tried to take away my secret collection of Wombat Toe.
Yeah, it's not. You're not having your secret collection of Wombat Toe, are you?
Well, at the very beginning, there was when I said I went to it was like a throwaway line. I went to get my money from my restaurant. I started up the secret collection of Wombat Toe.
Right, you know, I'm making you another beef Wellington.
Don't you dare.
I'm going to make you another beef Wellington.
Well, to balance it out, I'm gonna order myself pie.
Okay, then, that's fine.
Oh, bratwurst. I might actually get goulash. Yeah, I'll get goulash. I don't have enough cash. Probably because I don't have a freaking restaurant. I'm gonna go get myself a restaurant.
Daniel,
You don't get any money into it yet.
Daniel, I have an opening gift for you.
I hate you. Every ounce.
That's a gift.
Every ounce of my being. I hate you.
Every ounce of your being. Your beefing.
Was that a warming gift? Housewarming gift.
Yeah, that was
I'm gonna get goulash.
That was a Wellington gift, Daniel.
No, I think I've done something, and I can't believe it.
What?
Don't you know it's right next to goulash in the order menu?
What? Beef Wellington? I want to crack this one. Hold on.
That's swell.
I forgot it was a bug. I can't cook. Well, okay. I can cook at home. I can cook in your restaurant now. So I think I'm still manager. I think I can still make things. Or order things, sorry.
I love this game.
We're so close, by the way, to food truck. We're ending the video the second we get food truck. You know it, right? And we're not gonna buy. We're gonna buy food truck.
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe if we do it quick enough, I won't be able to get my beef Wellington.
It's 200, Daniel.
Yeah, we won't be able to do that.
Oh, there it is, Daniel. There's your beef Wellington. There's your beef Wellington, Daniel. There's your beef Wellington.
It's like, give or take. I know shit.
I gave you the beef Wellington. Shut up.
Wait.
You have 2 now, I think.
I've got 3.
It's like, is this your steak and kidney pie?
No.
Oh wait, no, because you ordered a beef Wellington instead. I'm just finishing up. I'm finishing up and I'm recording as well.
I'm gonna throw these beef Wellingtons.
Don't throw my beef Wellington. Daniel, I put effort into those. Right, you know what? Fine. Stroop waffle. Look, I have a stroop waffle, Daniel. Do you want the stroop waffle?
I would love it as long as it's not a beef Wellington.
It's actually a beef Wellington masked as a stroop waffle. Yo! Daniel! Yeah, we got the food truck. Let's go. Let's view the food truck. Let's do one. Yeah, let's do one food truck mission. You need to drive to the food truck area. Okay.
Stanley, where's the food truck?
It's outside. It's going to the food truck area.
Wait, let me come with you, please. No, I see it. It's a big white van.
There's a mini game. As it's a mini game. I love the omelette. Oh, wait, what? How do I make an omelette? What? Okay, take the order. Chop. Go to the stove. Make it. Done. Okay, she's gone. Take fish and chips. Go. Clap. Chop them. Go to the oven. Cook them. How you feeling?
I can't see anything that you're doing right now.
Well,
Hey, Stanley, if you come out and go, can I go into the food truck with you?
I can't come out. I'm in the mini game. I'm finishing the mini game, then I'm ending the video. Okay?
No, wait. I want to see if I can do it before we end the video.
You can. I don't think you can, at least. Okay. The mortales frias. Okay, chop. Hi Daniel, I can see you.
Come out of the food truck.
No, I'm still on the mini game. Fine, I'll do one more of the mini game. Actually, no, there's only a minute left on the mini game. I'll finish the mini game, and then okay, and then we can try and do it together. Okay?
Yeah. Watch it take off for the time being.
Roast the marshmallows. Cook. I think you only have to cook these because they're just marshmallows. My score is 29. What does that mean? Does that mean I've served 29 customers? No, you get 5 each time. I don't know how I'm on an odd number. I don't know how I'm on a number that's an end of 5 or 0, but alright. It's actually quite fun. How much money does this make though? You must try the barbecue ribs, alright. Waffle? Alright. Oh, okay. I did it. You won $47. I'm gonna unlock a new dish, and then we're gonna try and go in together. Fries. Okay, stand here.
I'm gonna unlock a new dish. I'm gonna unlock onion rings.
Stand here.
Play.
Oh, okay, we can't.
Wait, Sally, if you get out, I don't think I could play it on my own. Because of Great Food Truck.
Ah. Oh, well. Goodbye. No, it's 2.5 grand. Goodbye. Bleep bloop.